It has been a wet day at Freedom Acres today, but literally the rain has been pouring the whole time I've been here. But look, the trenches are actually now filled up all the way to the septic. They no longer look like 8 individual graves. I've been trying not to make jokes with myself about, I don't know, an Italian filling in holes on a property. And then over here, I don't know if you remember these trenches, but there were 2 trenches leading this way from the house to the well, and these trenches are now all filled in too. So there we got it. All the trenches and holes filled back in again, so they can feel free to grow massive amounts of native weeds. This trench got filled all the way up to here where the piping comes out, and all the way up to here where the piping comes out. So after it is drier and we tramp it down a little more, we'll get the rest of that done. Woohoo! Progress.